Woke up feeling good, I think I'ma put my wig on. Show 'em how I stunt. I just might go off. Or maybe I might even let my curls hang from my back. Cause I look good like that.
What's shaking, YouTube? Welcome back to Late Channel. Okay, so we about to get this wig install popping. It's about to be one of the quickest wig installs ever because it's curly hair and I don't really gotta do shit to it. And this is some HD lace, transparent lace. I don't even remember what fucking lace it is. But bitch, this is some good lace, bitch. It's giving scalp. It's definitely giving scalp. So let's see what we about to do with this, okay? So where is my motherfucking clip? Okay.
We're about to do the quickest install ever.
Like something you never had before. Got you sending X's and notes from
We're gonna do two layers. Two layers.
I might leave you sprung, you might get high off this love. I thought I'd let you know my love is sweet as honey, make you have brighter days. Something so pure and sweet, but leave you intoxicated. Hey, and I will never play no games with you, no. I need tender love and care. I need something that is rare. I can't waste no time on something that's not worth a dime. I know what I bring to the table. So are you able to give me everything I need? We can go so far and we can chill under the stars. You can give me what I want. I see your potential. You tell me you win this and I can really use someone to distract me from all the chaos around me. Give it to me, yeah. Your love, give it to me. I know that I'm selfish, but I just can't help it. And ain't that the way it's supposed to be? Oh, make love till the sun come up. Yeah, escape all of our problems while we lay up and just say fuck the world up. My love is sweet as honey, make you have brighter days. Something so pure and sweet, but leave you intoxicated. Hey, and I will never play no games with you, no. My love is sweet as honey, make you have brighter days. Something so pure and sweet, but leave you intoxicated. Hey, and I will never play no games with you, no. My love is sweet as honey, make you have brighter days. Something so pure and sweet, but leave you intoxicated. Hey, and I will never play no games with you, no.
This is. Like, you're telling me this isn't giving scalp? I don't know. You see how I just tried to be cute and flip it and it just like didn't do what I wanted it to do. It's starting to get a little dry though, so.
My mind been racing, but I've been on mute, hey. And now I'm feeling like I won't break through. I won't break through. And I'm trapped in this phase and I'm stuck. Going through a maze, it's like I can't get out. Trying to find my way, but I'm filled with doubt. About to lay in my bed, ignore my duties for the day. So I'm motivated and I can't shake it. I'ma sip one so I won't feel the same. And I'ma burn one to make me feel sane. And I know someone out there gon' feel my pain. And If I worked a little harder, I could have all that I want. If I worked a little smarter, oh yeah. But I can't seem to concentrate. I've been losing focus since shit ain't been the same and all. I've been crying out for help, but honestly I'm the only one who can try and help myself. And I know I can do better. Don't let myself get in the way. This that get back from that minor setback you had. This that make up for the time you lost, time you can't get back. This that time I look back and be like, ooh, damn, she did that. Hey, now I've been so lost.
Phone was dying. I had to plug it up to the charger. So now we're gonna do some edges, some edge yours. What am I saying?
This that get back from that minor setback you had. This that make up for the time you lost, time you can't get back. This that time I look back and be like, ooh, damn, she did that. Oh, hey. Now I've been so lost. Now I've been so lost. Yeah. I've been peeping through a different glass now. I've been peeping at these niggas trash now. But I've been knew that, but I still pursue that. Even if they start showing signs that they ain't worth my time, it ain't right and no. I guess I can say that you turn me off. You know the shit you doing, you know damn well that that's wrong. I guess I can't get jiggy with the shit that you be on. And yes, I have been moving different. Please don't call my phone. And yes, it's payday. Gotta pay me for that lazy love that you tried to give me. Know that shit can get real silly, but I ain't tripping off no lame nigga. No lame nigga. He can get my attention if he make about 6 figures, but for real, cause this shit ain't real. Why I keep attracting niggas who be counterfeit and I ain't with it. Guess it's part of life, from not doing right, from issues I have deep inside I try to hide, oh yeah. And I've been feeling stressed. Feels good to release and get this shit up off my chest, oh yeah. Sip till I'm numb, smoke on this blunt, till I get away from any pain that was caused. And I don't have patience for anyone to waste my time. Can't waste no time. And yes, it's payday. Gotta pay me for that lazy love that you tried to give me. Know that shit can get real silly, but I ain't tripping off no lame nigga. But I ain't tripping off no lame, no. Said I ain't tripping off no lame, no, no. Hey, 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 no. And I can't trip up off no, no. Who can do you like me? No one. Who can kiss and love you, please you, listen, comfort you like me? There is no one. I give you everything I have. You're my better half, oh baby. For you, I'll fulfill your fantasies, become your great escape. The way you did me reciprocated energy, that is my favorite. We locked in, baby, oh yes. We can do whatever it is you like. When I'm around, it's like you're a cloud. I get you so high, so high, so high. A feeling that you never felt before. You know I love to spoil you. I'm the best thing for you. And you for you. I'm the best thing for you. The feeling that I bring, just know no one can give it to you. And I bring the whole damn table, won't leave you starving, I'll feed you. Never mistreat you. If you need me, won't leave you. No, no, no.
So, you know, we gotta get that little M shape going. You know, I kind of like this though. I kind of like it like
If this love is a crime, you know I'll pay the price for my baby. I'll never leave you dry. I'll pour my heart out for you, baby.
So y'all can get a close-up of what she look like. Okay. Scoot her down some. Okay. So I'm probably gonna put a little bit of gel or something on the ends so that they don't look OD crazy. So I'm gonna show y'all what the hair looks like when it's done, like when it's dry. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, bitch. And don't forget to go and motherfucking check out the link in the description box for this motherfucking hair, okay? Because it's giving, bitch.
Best thing for you, best thing for you. Oh, yeah.
Yo, girl, honey, baby is out, bitch. Oh, look at my, oops. I hope I don't have like stuff all on my fingers. Look at my nails, y'all. It's giving very much strawberry shortcake marble done by moi.